Today we're unboxing this Sanhema. Now, you would have seen in the previous video when I was doing the Sanhema rooftop bars that they were not the right length. So we're gonna have to cut those today as well. But this is basically I ordered this a while ago. This is a mattress for the rooftop because it's not comfortable enough. The rooftop bars for the the Sanhema rooftop was supposed to be for the Kalahari rooftop, and this is supposed to be for the Kalahari one too. So if it doesn't fit, probably bad promotion. Wow. Comes in a nice bag because you're not supposed to store this in the rooftop tent, and that's something that I'm going to start doing, is not storing it in there. Alright, so this should be a perfect fit, but knowing my luck with things that I buy for things that are supposed to be for things, it never fucking works. I don't know what's going on in the middle here. This has been stored for a long time, maybe. Like, it's nice, but it's still, I still hit the ground easily. So this is a mattress topper. So this will go on top of whatever. I want to see how this is in the rooftop, to be honest. Very wet in here still. So something I hate about this tent is that it just leaks all the fucking time. This rooftop is fucked, basically. It just leaks every single time I close it up. And we've had really bad weather recently, so I mean, that's crazy. So I put these silica bags in, right? And they've just like soaked up so much moisture. I mean, look at that. Did the job, I guess. Not really. I think it just made it worse. So those can get chucked out. Alright, so these need to fucking go, these bags. These sleeping bags are cooked, bro. This has actually gotten worse. Look at that. That's fucked. This is much worse than I thought than the other day. I mean, just look at that. The whole thing is just fucked, man. That's crazy. So I don't exactly know where all this shit is coming from. Because I actually did this whole process a couple of months ago. Maybe a month ago. And it was not this bad. And since then I've tried to fix up the leaks. So, getting in somewhere. Boisies, I've lost my fucking magnet. That's no good, that. It's got to be somewhere, right? I actually lost my other mic too, which is a fucking piss take. Look how bad this is. So I've removed everything from this tent, and you can see like moisture in the corner. I think it's that corner which is fucking everything up, because this is all fine. Like, there's not really anything bad. It's all down there, the back section is all fucked. All here. Like, everything is wet and damp, but the front section is not bad. It's all down here, so I'll have to get in with a towel or something to clean all of that. I'm gonna have to figure out this back. I'm gonna have to seal it up properly and figure that out, because you can't sleep in here when it's like this. This bag is quite good though, to be fair. It feels quite high quality. I got a lot of things to fix on this Navara. You know, I got 12-volt system which doesn't work, rooftop tent which leaks. The actual car's fine, it's just all the accessory shit that is all fucked. So I'm a little bit, not disappointed, but I guess I am disappointed. Bit of a tedious task, to be honest. I don't know if I want to be doing this every single oh, fuck's sake. This zip is fucked. That done. Fuck me, bro. This is the mattress for the Sanhima. You would have seen me open it and struggle to put it back in the case. So I think what I need to do with this is the duffel is actually bigger than the mattress, but it is a little bit difficult to sort of put in and out. I think what I need to do is get like a strap or something for the actual mattress when I'm putting it back together. So that is that a success? I don't really know, to be honest. Mattress figured out. We discovered that the rooftop tent still got crazy leak, even worse now, which I don't know how it's possible. So we need to figure out rooftop leak, need to clean it. It's air drying right now. We need to seal this up. I don't want to have to deal with this again. I've actually lost my other DJI mic and I've just lost the magnet. The whole 12 volt system is going to be in another video because I'm going to upgrade that. I'm going to upgrade the 12 volt system soon. So on to the next task, I guess, which is pulling off the roof bars. So we're taking about 40 mil off the ends here. If you haven't seen the previous roof bar video, top right hand corner, if you want to check that out. But basically 40 mil is how much they're out. So I'm just going to fucking grind that. Hopefully it's all good. Also found my other mic, so I'm a little bit happy about that. Grinder, where are you, grinder? Hello. Safety first. I'm impressed. That's not a bad fucking cut, mate. So let me go and test fit this first. Yep, so that's going to be fine. It's probably a little bit too, so I probably need to take a little bit more off, but again, it's not bad. Lines up pretty good now. Yeah, you can't really see the bad cuts or anything. All right, so that job's done. That took a little while, took a little bit out of me. I do have this solar panel, which isn't a King's one actually. It's a Atom Power 200 watt. So it's not a bad solar panel, but it is quite thick. So not entirely sure if I want to do that. The next job, I think, is to sort out this 12 volt system. I do need a total revamp of this 12 volt system because I just don't like it. I just think it's shit. So like, you would have seen this all here, but there's a couple design flaws here. First of all, anything I charge here from low down here is annoying because if you want to get in the fridge, you have to disconnect it. So if I've got my microphone here, that's tough. This is a good spot for this. I like this here. Maybe just a couple switches here, rather than this up here, because this, I'm pretty sure this King switch panel is tripping everything. I've taken out the fuses. You can see this is all mess, right? But I've tried, and I'm pretty sure it's literally just the relays or the circuit breaker that I've got installed is just breaking the system. So after a while it'll reset, and then I've pulled every fuse out to see what is actually tripping the system, but I can't figure it out. So what I'm going to do within the next video is I'm pretty much going to rip out the 12 volt and I'm going to redo it, and I'm just going to do simple switches with just inline fuses. I think that's the best way to do it. So I just need a switch for my cabin lights, which are these ones here, a switch for the fridge, and a switch for power. That's pretty much all I need switches for. I might put another switch in just for maybe water pump or something that I want to do in the future. But yeah, that's going to be my 12 volt redone. I'll do that in the next video. Another job that I've got to do is every time since I've got this tray fitted, basically I can't fill up my tank properly. So I figured it out. I had this clamp on the side, which was up here, and this is pulling this in, okay? And this was actually moving this out of alignment. I've basically just done it to there, right? So I put a new bolt in there. And the issue is this. All right, so like look at that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna go full of the car. Let's see how this goes. If you want to check out any of the merch, hume4x4.com. Got hoodies and stickers on there. I'm trying to get beanies on there because I know people want beanies. But yeah, apart from that, hit the like video. If you want to see the full MP300 playlist, it'll be on the screen somewhere. Anyway, that's gonna do it. Peace.